practicing, this is where a lot of cases are found to violate RLUIPA. In fact, it's your most common kind of case. Delay, uncertainty, expense is a substantial burden on a religious institution. Therefore, if you were to revisit a prior land use approval, you better have a clear-cut case. I mean, you better have that case down cold, or you're risking a RLUIPA violation. To reverse a prior approval, much like the Illinois case, particularly in the wake of public protests, is the most liability-prone action a city can take. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about the current religious land use, the most recent one that we've had for 8201 Park. Just a couple of things. Nighttime parking. It's allowed here, and I'll tell you why. The parking lot lighting violation, there is an active enforcement action. It is by the book, and it is a very expensive fine. It's $1,000, and it can be repeated. Use of Smith Park. It's allowed, and so is on-street parking. Nighttime parking. Smith Park is different for 8201 users than it is for other parks. Because of the joint use agreements, those parking lots can be used at night. What council probably remembers is back maybe 10 years ago, we had some drug activity in Smith Park, and it was very carefully monitored because the school didn't have nighttime use very often. And so if you saw cars there late at night, it was probably wise to call the police. Here, if it's associated with the legitimate use of this property, it is completely legal. There is no prohibition on nighttime parking in the parking lots around 8201. If you violated those joint agreements, you could also